Hey guys, I'm going to try a video a little bit differently this time, just so you guys have a closer look at what I'm actually going to be working with. This is everything that I'm going to be working with today. We're going to make some super cute Christmas ornaments. So these are from the Dollar Tree. They're just cute little 2x3 green frames from the Dollar Tree. These are just gift tags that I got from Hobby Lobby, and they're super duper cute. And we're going to use these. I've got a few wooden beads. I've got some red beads and natural wood beads, scissors, twine, and these little red trucks. I got this pack from Walmart, but you can get those from the Dollar Tree too if you can find them. So let's get started, y'all. So first, let's open up our little packs of Dollar Tree picture frames here. Now, when you open this up, this is what it looks like, and it's got the little kickstand on the back side here. We don't need this because we're turning this into an ornament. So all you gotta do is just twist that guy off, okay? Just a little back and forth, and he pops right off of there, okay? So now we're gonna open up our ornament here, and it is up to you whether you wanna keep your glass for it or not. I am gonna put my glass back in there. So, but it's up to you if you wanna use it or not. Okay, so here's the rest of my other one that I already took apart. So this is where we're at. We've got two of these ornaments taken apart, and I already broke the back off of that one. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep this paper, this is the front side of that frame. I'm gonna keep that paper, and I'm just gonna hot glue it on here. And the reason that I'm going to do that is because I'm hot gluing a gift tag on here, and my gift tag happens to have a hole at the top for string. So I want the white background for that. That little hole right there. So that's why I wanted the white background back there. I'm gonna cut a little bit of this off the top here. I'm gonna center my tag here on my paper, or on my frame backer, and hot glue that in place. Just a couple dabs, and these little tags are so stinking cute. Like I said, they're from the Hobby Lobby, and they're $1 a pack, because all the Christmas stuff is 50% off, so they were $1 a pack. This one right here that I'm working with right now says Merry Everything and Happy Always. Super duper cute. So there we go, you guys. I hot glued my little gift tag on there. And now we're gonna turn this into an ornament. I'm gonna take my frame, take my tag. Oh, I'm gonna put my glass back in there. There's my glass. Close everything back up. Just like that. And that's what we've got right now. Super duper cute, you guys, right? All right, so now, let's set that aside. We're gonna dress that up in just a minute. But let's play with this other little frame here. I took this apart. Now for this one, I am gonna use this black and white buffalo check gift tag from Hobby Lobby. And I'm gonna use that as the backer. So let me cut the string off, because I'm not gonna need that, obviously. I am gonna make this fit on my paper here. So I'm just gonna cut out those little ends there and cut that little part off there. And this one, I am just gonna hot glue that right on there, okay? Right in the center of my backer. A couple dabs of hot glue. Right smack in the center. These are so easy and so cute, you guys. Cute little homemade ornaments that would make perfect little teacher gifts, church lady friends, whomever you need to get a little gift for, or just a little something special. These little homemade ornaments are perfect. So I'm just gonna take this backer right here and put my glass back in there, put my backer back in there, and we're gonna decorate the front of this frame a little bit differently. So this is what we got right now. Love that green with the black and white check. Love it, love it, love it. So let's start with this guy since we've got this one right here. It said we were gonna use these trucks that we got from Walmart, and you can get them at the Dollar Tree. But I'm gonna take one of those trucks. I just cut off with regular scissors that little metal wire there. So that is gone. So now all we have is the truck. Let's just hot glue our truck right there on the edge of our frame, just like that, you guys. How cute is that? I love it. Easy, easy, easy. There we go, you guys. Look at that. Now, because we made this an ornament, we need to have a hanger for it so that we can hang it from our tree. So what I think I'm going to do with this is, I was just going to use string, but let's do a little red bead hanger on the top. Yes, there we go. Sometimes ideas just happen on the fly, y'all. There we go. Let's tie a little knot here on this end, just so that my beads aren't moving around a whole bunch while I'm trying to put this guy on there. Tying a little knot. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other end. What do you guys think? Aren't these adorable? I'm loving it. Everybody's loving the red truck, you guys. Everybody loves the red truck. Okay, so we've got our little red bead hanger there, just like that. I'm using 5 beads there. Let's flip that over. And we're just gonna hot glue these guys on right here on the back. And I'll cut that string down in just a minute. Ta-da! Same thing over here. I don't normally do videos like this where you guys can't see my face, so this is definitely different for me. I also don't do a lot of videos like this that aren't live. I normally have you guys to interact with, and so this is completely different for me. But we're trying to mix it up just a little bit. I will still continue to do lives as well. Wow, that was a lot of hot glue. Whoopsie. Clean that up a little bit. But anyhow, I will still continue to do regular lives as well, just because I like to interact with you guys. But we are going to mix in some of these videos as well. So don't be surprised if you see videos like this happening still too. Are getting thrown in the mix a little bit here and there. Okay, there we go, guys. Super cute. I love it. Perfect. I'll lay that guy right there so you guys can see him better. And now let's go back and finish up the first one that we worked on. Again, if you're just popping on, this is a Dollar Tree ornament, Hobby Lobby tags. Dollar Tree frame, Hobby Lobby tags. I got those trucks from Walmart, but you can get those from the Dollar Tree if you can find them. They're a little hard to find, but if you can find them, definitely grab them from the Dollar Tree. So we're gonna put some beads on this hanger, but first we're gonna make a little bow for the front of our, or the top of our little ornament here. So I'm loving this red and white stripe to go with this. So let's put some of that on there. And this is a refab bow. So you crisscross, crisscross. Crisscross applesauce, crisscross applesauce. Let's do a little polka dot. Cute, cute, cute. And let's just throw one of those guys on there, just in the middle. And now we just need some raffia here. Everything is better with raffia. About half of that. There we go. Now let's tie this up, this cute little bow that we're gonna put at the top of our little ornament here. So just crisscross, crisscross, and then just tie these off. Tie a little knot here in the center, and then you're gonna have the cutest little bow. A little mini refab bow. It's adorable. Now we'll just go back and fluff our little bow out there. Y'all, if I'm gonna be doing videos this close up, I'm gonna need to get me a little manicure. I'm gonna need to go get my nails did, huh? Okay, let me hot glue that because it's such a small little bow, it's wanting to come undone, that raffia. So I'm just gonna put a tiny little dab of hot glue just to keep that raffia from untying there. And actually, while we're at it, let's go ahead and just hot glue it in place. I already know where I'm gonna put it. I want it right here in the middle of our ornament there. Oh my goodness, too stinking cute. Love it, love it, love it. What do y'all think? Make sure to tell me in the comments. Normally I would have y'all tell me live and y'all would respond. But let me know what you think about this little ornament, guys, in the comments. Let me know. Let me know if you're gonna recreate it. All right.